Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
An issue in the minds of the people in the neighboring areas of my constituency. Recently, a serious incident of house breaking and theft was reported from Villian Bhatti in Sange constituency, where unknown miscreants allegedly broke open the door of a residential house during daytime and decamped with jewelry worth approximately 2.5 lakhs along with cash. Such incidents occurring in broad daylight have caused serious concern among residents of the surrounding areas as well. Sange shares close geographical area with Kuchorek, and therefore such criminal activities naturally create fear and anxiety among people and residing in the nearby villages as well. Many residents are now worried about the safety of their homes and properties, especially during daytime when families step out to work. Incidents of house theft breaking not only disturb the peace but also erode the sense of security among citizens. It becomes important that the law enforcement authorities have proactively measures to such crimes and patrolling in vulnerable areas. आमचे स्पीकर सर घरान जावना पण आमचे देवळान जाले साईबाबा देवळांतल्यान काडले आमचे मोटरसायकल पायलट जे आसा तेजे लक्ष्मी आसा थंय ते फोडले पण अशे डे लायटान ह्यो गोष्टी जावपाक लागल्या पयर मंगलसूत्र चलता चलता मंगलसूत्र हात घातलो स्पीकर सर दोन कडेन सो हेजेर I would like to request to government to inform this house what immediate steps the government propose to take to strengthen the police, increase surveillance and prevent such incidents in Sange and adjoining areas along with Kuchore with the people. Speaker sir, कित्याक मंगळसूत्र हात घालून चलत चलत मंगळसूत्र हात घातले स्पीकर सर दोन कडेन.
We'll take notes.